Kumawood actor Yefero Quappiah Abusuya, he has been involved in a glory accident where Accra Kumasi highway. When it comes to Accra Kumasi highway, a lot of accident has happened and most are also happening. Abusuya. Now the latest one is Kumawood actor, the legend Quappiah Abusuya. Ono and the screen so he was involved in a glory accident and now what a 2M Express na Nyankopon etim eyi free this accident we're going to play his video, but before then kindly subscribe to our platform on YouTube and become part of this amazing platform. I go by the name Sticky Superstar. Nyankobo Quappiah wabra, this accident happened and then he recorded the scenes and showing us that it is God that has saved him from this accident.
Hey, Java. What's up,
So this is a video coming from Quappiah Abusuya, the legendary actor na ofi Kumasi na Accra. This accident has happened and I went to the comment section and I read most of the comments and people were saying that these 2M Express, when they get on the road, over speeding is one of the things that they do on the road. I haven't boarded any of their transportation as I'm informed can 2.0, so I cannot testify that what people are writing under the comment section is true, but also forbid that you can leave your comments under the comment section. How do you enjoy when you are in 2M Express? Do they overspeed and do they drive recklessly? Because what I read under the comment section, so we said Abusuya, these 2M Express drivers, they are careless. I mean not all of them, but you see most of them. Said the name comfort to comment section. I said no, when you board their car, wherever you're going, Abusuya make kono. It is really sad that they need to report them sometimes before they will slow down. Let me see your experience under the comment section. So what forbid that who experience under the comment section. We thank God for saving the legendary actor Quappiah from this accident. Hi Karma Studios, anything that drops on the social media speed, we bring it to you right on this platform. So kindly subscribe to our platform and follow us on all the social media handles at Karma Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar and I'm finally out.